Is it recording? Okay, I think so. Guys, the oof sound is bad. Wait. Wait. The oof sound is back on Brookhaven. I just found out we're not getting the dreaded sound again. Sorry if my voice is so low, smile. Come on. Okay. Say. Okay. That's my grandma. Trash. Oof sound is okay. Hangin. See? Did you hear? Did you hear it? Did you hear it? The oof sound is back. Okay. Look at my cute avatar. I just made it with my friend Zakia. But I usually call her, yes, she is a girl. Zach. I don't know. Yeah. Hold on. In 3, 2, 1. Hey, it's back. I'm not editing. I don't know how to edit the oof sound. Oof. Like that. It's like I don't know how to describe the oof sound, but it's like just an oof. But it's so iconic. It is so like OG. I've been an OG. I played Black since like I was 4 or 5 years old. Like I love this game. I've been playing for like years. Gerta. Also, it's Monday. I didn't go to school today. What new news? And I will be doing a tutorial on how to get the Lana doll. Right now, I'm gonna make a tutorial on how to get this Lana doll. I already have it. So yeah. Okay, let's get right into it. It's like talking to the void when I'm like recording. There's like different toggles on this doll, so it's very fun. Also, this is my new account. Like it's not really that new now. Yeah. The Lana doll, the new Lana doll is out now. Whatever the hell. Free play. Oh yeah, and also the meat room is back. The room that has like the meat like there's scary skin in there. And also I really like, fun fact, I really like ginger hair. That's how people here read it. Hair. That's Oh, there's no golden ticket. Oh well. I'm trying to do it. It doesn't want to go away. I found it. First of all, I'm gonna get my avatar real quick. I usually wear this one, but it's not loading properly. I'm trying to jump out. I can't. Okay. Wow, he has VIP. I wish I had VIP. If you Can you please give me some video? Please give me video. I know I'm begging like crazy. Get. I thought I got all of my codes, all of the codes in just to press, because I already got a lot of the codes on my mom's phone on that account, but my mom deleted every single game on her phone that I downloaded. I'm trying to jump. Okay, jump, jump, jump. Wait, that's mystery. Mystery. Oh my god, that's mystery from K-pop Demon Hunters. Also, who's your favorite? Rumi, Mira, or Zoe? Like, oh, she's dressed as Haley. Gerda. I'm gonna show you how to get this doll. Look, the one I'm holding right now. The Lana doll. I love this doll. Love Lana forever. So you go ahead and click the doll. In this case here, you need to fix the doll. Hold on, my brother's here. Okay. There you go. Ew. So you go ahead and click the Lana doll. Click it and it'll say like you have 0 out of 3 items. This doll. Hold on. This doll. Hold on. Sudah. Nasi ikan puri. Banyak. Biasa. Cukup untuk kenyang. Just click this doll, and then you go ahead and over here, and this should be like some thread over here. You click it, but you have to hold it down, and after that you go to Lana's house. Lana's house. Di luar. So there's a sea urchin, I don't know. Okay. And you go ahead and go to Lana's house. Have fun. Join. You're going in the wrong direction. That's my brother's voice and my grandma's voice. And you'll see a haystack right here. And then you hold it and you click it, you hold it down, and then there will be like a needle popped out. Like it's supposed to be here. Maybe. Like about here, but I already got it, so maybe it will disappear in like a day. So yeah, after that you click it and then you hold it down for a few like seconds until something like until a needle pops out like that. Pops out, and my needle, it popped out and fell right here where I'm standing. So yeah. After you got the needle and the thread from inside, you go and then you go upstairs in Lana's house. You go inside and then you go upstairs. You go into this room. You go here, and there should be a teddy bear like right here. There should be a teddy bear right here, and then you have to squeeze it. You click the button to squeeze it. You hold it down. Like for all of them, you have to hold it down and then the doll eyes will pop out. These doll eyes will pop out, and then you grab it. Mine fell right here, but it can fall anywhere. So yeah. Once you got all of the 3 items, you go to Lana's doll. Go back to Lana's doll. Hold on. It's kind of laggy. Like last night, I played Just to Impress until like 1 a.m. maybe. Yeah, I really like playing Just to Impress. Oh my god, that's really. But my name is a girl. You a fake. Girl, you a fake. Girl, guys, she's a fake. Guys, she's a fake. Her name is not Rumi like mine. So yeah, I just got the rising star like the first time, maybe the first time or the second time I played Just to Impress is last night. Well, I've played Just to Impress a long time. So yeah. And then you go ahead, get back here, and then you click the doll, fix it. You fix this doll, you click it, hold down the star so it fixes. And once it's fixed, it will look like right now, because before it's gonna look like the eyes are gonna pop out before, but now that I fixed it, it's like this now. Then after that, if you fix it, there's no more way to click, no more like the hard to click like this, and there's no more like this button, and then you click the doll again, and then you'll have the doll. And then there's different toggles to the doll. There's different toggles here. There's default, cuddle, held, and dolly. I personally like cuddle, but I'm just using dolly because it looks cute that way. It's so cute. And last time I got first place. The first round, I got first place in the first round. And the second round, I got second place. In the third round, I got first place. That's so fun. I really wanna go there. Can I please have it? Oh my god, why is it so expensive? Okay, now I'm gonna show you some outfit ideas for you. Some outfit ideas for you. So yeah, for the first time, I'm gonna do like outfit ideas. So I'm gonna do a beach outfit idea. So you go into scene and you click this one, the tanner one, the second one, or the third one. You can use any one. If you can use the second one, you can use the third one. Like the skin tone, okay? The skin tone. But I'm gonna use the third one, so it looks like a tanned. Why am I walking on my own? So this is an outfit idea for a beach day. On beach days, like I really really like going to the beach. You can use the face that I'm using right now, or this one, or like this one that has different eye colors. But if you have custom makeup, you could just make your own creative one. I don't want any heavy makeup. I don't really like using that much makeup. Like, it's not that good to use heavy makeup. Or you can use this one. But now I'm just gonna use the face that I used, see, for the casual day outfit. And then for the hair. And then for the hair, I'm gonna do like maybe an updo. Hold on, I really like this. Let's see how this bun looks like. Maybe no. No. Or maybe I can use the Lana bun. Nah, this is too iconic. Look. Okay, I'm gonna use this. And then you can use any hair color, but it has to look natural. Like this set. Or maybe this. Or maybe just black. Like that. Or you can be a blondie if you want. But for me, I usually like